Hello guys, welcome back again in Mario Today series. Today in this video, we going to kill our character which is Mario with the help of an enemy. Let's start our video. Now here you see this is our Mario character. Now here if you added any kind of collider with like polygon collider, you have to remove it and replace with this one which is boss collider. Now here you see this is a boss collider. Which is placed on the foot of the Mario. Now after that we going to create a new empty object, make it name as Mario die. After that we going to create a script, name it as Mario die. But before that we going to our character script. Now as you see in our character script, I have to create a boss collider 2D and name it as a die. After that we going to create a function, we name it as public void and name as Mario die, and we make it trigger which is true, which means whenever our enemy hits the Mario, it will trigger the animation, or sorry, it will trigger the collider so that our character pull up down in the ground. Now, now let's create our Mario die character. Before that, we put this script in the Mario die object. After that, we are going to edit this script. Now, we generally use references for this case. Here character our script name, which I am using as a reference. After that, I am going to name as RIP, and I'm going to create a function void on trigger 2D, enter 2D. After that, I use collider 2D, name it as other. After that, we going to apply condition. We name as other dot tag dot equal, and we name it as enemy. Now our condition is ready. After that, we are going to call our function with the help of references and name it as RIP. And dot means we are going to access. So as you see in our character, Mario die is a function. So I'm going to copy this and paste in this reference concept. Now here my script is ready. Okay, here do some mistake. Here D will be capital. Now string does not get accessible. 10th line. Now here our mistake is here I have to put equals. After that I'm going to on my game screen Now our script is fully compiled. After that, we're going to check our enemy. Here, here we to attack enemy, and we're going to save it. After that, we're going to assign it, and it contains a boss collider. So I'm going to put it and add it. Uh, this one is fine, so that we can test easily. No, this one is fine. Let's test the game. Oh, we put the enemy off. Okay, let's make this enemy static. Here's a multiply cursor. Okay, here the mistake is here you have to put this boss collider to be here in this script. And Mario die. We going to again boss collider 2D. Before that we going to assign this Mario in this. After that we use this boss collider and put it a little bit extend and make it as trigger. Now let's check this. As you see, our my character fall down. Now thank you guys for watching this video. In next video we going to discuss how our Mario character died in all the sides. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch this type of video, you can subscribe and share this channel.